Hello everyone, this is Shreyan Sikhani from Team What Guru, and I will answer in this video the 3 questions which you had asked for the elevator pitch for the startup Chile. So the first question which you had asked was, what is the problem you are solving? Well, as mentioned in our application, we are trying to sensitize and energize a behavioral response to save energy. So we think energy management has shifted parameters from the can-do alternative to the must-do. Therefore, the objective is to incentivize the consumer and make them aware of the benefits of energy saving, both in context of monetary and lifestyle changes, through an interactive and multimedia mode. In order to accomplish this objective, we have created this portal which is dedicated to propagate the virtues and benefits of energy conservation. The second question which you had asked was, why are you and your team members the perfect team to lead this startup? To this, our response is, we are a perfect team to lead this startup because our team comprises of people who have domain knowledge and the technical skills to run this portal successfully. Presently, we are being incubated by Infraji Solutions India Private Limited, which is an energy management company based out of Kolkata. So we have extensive domain knowledge about energy conservation, and plus Infraji is also into software applications and software development of energy management softwares. So we also get technical help from them. So the last question which you had asked was, how will you socially impact Chile? Well, to my knowledge, Chile is also a developing country, and it is in the similar growth trajectory as India is. So from our research, it is clear that Chile has been facing issues of supply of energy in the past few years, which is leading to high cost of using energy. What Guru will try to propagate the importance of energy efficiency, and through which we would like to motivate or make the people aware what is the importance of using energy rationally. And also rational energy use is one of the directives of the energy policy of Chile. So the social impact of What Guru would be to create awareness about energy efficiency through public engagement and to involve all the youngsters. So we target the youngsters, that is what we had said in the application, and make them more energy aware and energy conscious, so that the future of Chile becomes more responsible, more sustainable, and the development is more holistic. Thank you.